Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install netbeans. Then after installation, I'm gonna show you how to create project and run the program. So okay, let's start. So okay, first go to Google, then click on it. Then after that, search for netbeans download and then enter. And then click the Apache right there, netbeans releases, and then click for download. Okay, then as you can see, installers and package, it is also available in Windows, then Mac OS, and then Dib, and then Norch, then Linux, and then the source, zip file. But let's click on Windows, and then click this one. Okay, here we go. So it start downloading. Then after downloading, go to the file folder and let's install the netbeans application. Okay, then double click the netbeans application. Okay, here it is. Okay, just wait to finish the configure the installer. Then okay, after configuring the installer, then you can customize the installer of package. Okay, click, then you can select or deselect, then click OK, then next, and then the license agreement. Okay, just click the I accept the terms in the license agreements. Okay, check it, then click next. Then also you can browse the file whenever you put this file in the folder. Okay, just next, and then install. Okay, just wait to finish the installation. Okay, then after the installation, click the finish. Okay, then close and then here we go, the apps. Then open the netbeans application, then just wait to finish the loading. Okay, then as you can see inside the netbeans, there's a lot of tools, but now let's try to create a project and run the program. So click this, and then Java application, then click next, and then name the project whatever you want, but I name this my project, and then click finish. Okay, wait for it. Okay, and then after this one, then click for the project that you create, and then inside the source package, and then this one, right click, and then new, then gframe form, then name this one whatever you want. So I name it project, and then finish. Okay, then after creating the project, let's design it and run the program. Okay. Then after designing the project, then let's try to run it. Then click run, then run file. Okay, wait for a minute. Yeah, okay, here you go. Here's the result. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Then in next video, I'm gonna show you how to create a login page and then connect to a database. Okay, see you next video.